everyone, so today we are going to be talking about top 5 digital marketing institutes in Chennai. So the first and foremost institute in my list is IIM Skills, which was founded by Mr. Vaibhav Kakkad in 2015. It is one of the best institutes to learn digital marketing from, as their trainers have more than 10 years of experience in this digital marketing field. And the course that they offer is Digital Marketing Master Course, the duration of which is around 7 months, and the fees is approximately 74,000 rupees. And they also have a 2 month internship after that. For anyone who's inexperienced in the digital marketing field, they provide a 2 months internship with a stipend of 6,000 rupees along with it. And they also offer 100% placement support because of their in-house placement cell, and even post-placement support they offer. Along with that, they ensure that the student's journey is seamless from starting till the end. And one of the best thing that this institute offers, that not a lot of institutes offer, is a full refund if you don't like the course. Which means that if you don't like the course, you can simply write them an email, a detailed email writing about why you don't like the course. Is there any problem with the faculty? Is there any problem in the modules? And they will give you a full refund. So the next institute in my list is FITA, which is a very renowned digital marketing institute in Chennai, and it offers 2 digital marketing courses. One is an advanced digital marketing course and the other is an expert digital marketing course. The average duration of these courses are from 1.5 months to 2.5 months, and the fees is between 21,000 to 35,000 approximately. They also have a 100% placement record, and they have smaller batches with flexible timings so that they can cater to each and every student's needs without compromising the others. Their commitment to post-training support ensures that the graduates have the best guidance that they need to excel in their field. The next institute in my list is Digital Scholar. This is again one of the most renowned and leading institutes in Chennai, which was founded by Mr. Saurav Jain and Rishi Jain in 2019. So they offer advanced digital marketing course with AI, which is like a dual certificate, and the duration of this course is about 4 months with the fees of 60 to 70,000 including taxes, and they also have a 1 month internship after that. It is also possible that by the time you see this video, the prices might have increased, because right now the courses are on a good offer, which is why they are between 60 to 70,000 rupees. And apart from their digital marketing course, they also provide a few short-term courses with certificates that starts from about 800 rupees. So the next institute that I'll be talking about is DMC, Digital Marketing Courses. Now this is also one of the top rated institutes in the digital marketing field in Chennai, and their faculty is also really great with good expertise in digital marketing and great insights in the digital marketing practical world. So in their digital marketing course, they have 3 kinds of batches: advanced, premium batch, and digital marketing expert certification course. The average duration of these courses is about 1.5 months to 2.5 months, and you also get 2 to 6 certificates in these courses. And one more thing, that their digital marketing expert certification will get you qualified enough that you can start your own business and manage your own business with absolute ease. The fees of this course is around 17,000 to 45,000, which in my perspective is pretty affordable. And apart from their digital marketing course, they also offer some small specialized courses like HTML, SEO marketing, etc. And if you ask me, and if you want a good quality institute with great affordability and short duration of time, this is the perfect fit for you. So the last but not the least institute in my list is eSearch Advisor. Now this is also one of the most renowned institutes in Chennai and was founded in 2015 by Praveen J. The duration of their course is around 2 months with 1 month internship. I'm not sure exactly about the amount of fees of this course, but I think it's in the bracket somewhere between 15,000 to 30,000. The best part about this institute is that they follow the 70% practical knowledge and 30% theoretical knowledge method, which gives a student enough chance to be proficient in digital marketing field in the practical world. Moreover, just like IIM Skills, they provide lifetime access to their content, which is something that very few institutes provide. So I think it's a great institute to go for. And I will see you in the next video with more such information. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.